let's review about the animals. Tell me.
It's a mouse.
Mouse.
It's a
Mouse.
mouse. Bear.
It's a bear.
It's a bear. It's a horse. It's a pig. It's a cat. And in the forest, in the dog.
It's a dog.
In the dog.
And the last one?
It's a duck.
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 Okay. Move to the body parts. What's this?
Head.
Is
Eat the head. Foot. Eat the foot. Eat the head. In the leg.
is a leg.
Eat a leg.
Leg.
Leg. Eat a mouth. Eat a nose.
Nose.
Nose. Eat the ear.
Is an ear.
Eat a ear. Eat a eye.
Is an eye.
Eat a eye.
Okay. Next. What can you see?
I see a bear, the mouse, a bird, and the fox.
How many birds do you see?
I see two birds.
Two birds.
Two birds.
What is a bear carrying?
A bear is carrying a big drum. Birds, their foe.
Is
The foe.
it falls?
Is foe on the mouth foot. Mouth ở đây foot.
Okay, good job.
The bear is kneeling a chair.
Kneeling
Kneeling
a chair.
a chair. Then
He
he hits the hand for
with
a hammer.
with a hammer.
With the hammer.
Where did the bear hurt?
Bear hurt his hand.
Good job.
The horse mouth.
The horse mouth
The horse mouth is suck.
stuck.
Suck.
Stuck.
Suck.
Stuck
Suck.
in
In the trumpet. The animal is cool.
the animals.
The animal is cool.
No, you say it. The animals
The animal is cool.
not cool. Poo.
Poo.
Okay, say it. These animals
The
poo.
animal is poo.
Not is poo. These animals
The animal
poo.
poo.
Again,
The animal is cool.
poo.
Poo. The trumpet from her horse mouth.
Wait, where does the horse hurt?
Horse hurt the mouth.
Okay, mouth.
Mouth. The animal is full.
These animals
The animal is
fall
on the pig nose.
pig's nose.
Pig nose.
Pig's
Pig
nose.
nose. Pig hurt the nose.
Okay.
A duck is full.
The duck
A duck flew over a
branches.
branches. Duck hurt its leg.
Look at the dog. The dog?
The dog is full.
No, the dog was hit
A head
on the head
on the head before it hit in the eye
by the,
by the
what are these? Symbol.
symbol.
Okay, say again. The dog was hit on the head. The fox was hit in the eye by the symbols.
By the symbols.
Okay. Where did the dog hurt?
Dog hurt its head. Fox hurt its eye.
Okay.
The fox said, the cat ear. Cat hurt its ear.
Okay.